Hey you! Yeah, you, I see you right there. Are you tired of not having any posters for your movie? Having no graphics, no thumbnails, no nothing to show the world that you got something great? Well, I can help you with that. I'm Grady Fiorio, superstar Los Angeles filmmaker and former Gavilan alumni. But that doesn't matter today, because even though I got more Gavies than I can count, I'm here to tell you why you should absolutely be taking Tim Allen's intro to Photoshop. Alright, for a second, let's be serious. Photoshop is one of the most important tools that I have as a filmmaker. I recently just got my own pilot funded, and Photoshop was one of the most essential tools in making that happen. I used Photoshop to create custom pitch decks and posters and graphics for film markets and our crowdfunding campaign, so the world knew that I was a filmmaker to be taken seriously. But even if you're not a filmmaker, Photoshop can help you with creating custom birthday cards, cleaning up images, or creating Christmas photos to go out to the family. So what are you waiting for? Intro to Photoshop is a hybrid in-person and online class. So sign up, Intro to Photoshop, Professor Tim Allen today. Bye-bye.